What if I told you that you could start making money online today with no website, no inventory, and zero tech skills? That's not a dream. That's Gumroad. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first dollar online using Gumroad, and then scale it to $1,000 and beyond. If you're a student, creator, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5, this is your blueprint. Let's go. What is Gumroad? Gumroad is a free platform that lets you sell digital products directly to your audience. Whether it's an ebook, a Notion template, a digital planner, or a mini course, you can list it and start selling in minutes. Here are some insanely profitable product ideas for 2025. eBooks. Write a quick 20-page guide on something you know well. Notion templates for students, freelancers, or solopreneurs. Canva templates, social media kits, resumes, pitch decks. Mini courses. Teach a skill in 30 to 60 minutes. Sound packs or beat kits if you're a music creator. Coding snippets or software tools. Use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Notion to build your product. Keep it simple. Focus on value and clarity. Create once, sell forever. Format cleanly. PDFMP 4ZIP. Add bonuses to increase value. Once your product's ready, go to Gumroad and click New Product. Fill out the title, price, and description, and upload your file. Add a clean cover image, and boom, you're ready to sell. Gumroad doesn't bring traffic to you. You are the traffic. Here's how you start making sales. Twitter X, share behind the scenes, quick wins, and tips. TikTok Reels, post content that hooks and solves problems. YouTube, tutorials, reviews, or case studies. Email list, give away a freebie, then upsell Reddit and forums. Add value, then link to your product. Once you've made your first few sales, here's how to grow. Upsell premium versions. Bundle products together. Offer subscriptions or memberships. Run flash sales. Use Gumroad's email features to launch new products. You don't need permission to start. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve a small problem for someone better than they can do it themselves. That's value, and value is money. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What are you going to sell on Gumroad?